Namaste students, this is Vidya. I, JVN Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the Gestalt Theory. The cognitive psychologists try to see the learning as more deliberate and concise effect on the individual rather than a product of a mere habit formation or a stimulus response machines like mechanisms. According to them, in a learning process, the learner does not merely receives or make response to the stimuli, but definitely the process or the impact with or does not have the something about or what he received in his response is determined by the process. Thinking about this line, a group of German psychologists called Gestalt and primarily and originated Kolar originated a learning theory named Insight to Learn. Gestalt is either German noun for which there is no English equivalent. The nearest English translation of Gestalt is a configuration or more simply an organized the whole. The basic idea of the theory is that it cannot be understood by the study of its constituent part, but only by the study of the totality of the whole. In particular term, Gestalt psychology is the primarily concerned with the nature of the perception. According to it, an individual perceives a thing as a whole, while the behavior and the stimulus response uh, defines the perception so that it makes it analogous with that of the making the photograph. They holds with sometimes come prior to the meaning and consider these two acts as separate. In short, psychologists try to interpret learning as a purposive explanation or creative enterprise or instead of trial or error or simple stimulus response mechanism. A learner, while learning, always perceives the situation as a whole or often thinks the evaluating the different relationship take place, the proper decision intelligently. Polar used the term insight first of all to describe the learning of his apps. During this period, 1913 or 1917, he conducted many experiments on chimpanzee in the Canary Islands and encoded his finding to his book. In one experiment, Kula put the chimpanzee Sultan inside a cage and a banana was hanged from the roof of the cage. A box was placed inside the cage and the chimpanzee tried to reach the banana by jumping but could not reach. So suddenly he got an idea that use the box as a jumping platform by the placing it in the below hanging the banana. So Polar seems to be seeing insightful learning in turn of the sudden or the bolt of lightning. It is found to be dependent upon the factors such as experience, intelligence, learning situation, individual efforts, and reception and generalization. Experience, the past experience, help in the insightful solution of the problem. A child cannot solve the problem of the modern mathematics unless he is well acquired with the simple of the language. Intelligence, insightful solution depends upon the basic intelligence of the learner. The more intelligent the individual, the greater will be the insightful. The learning situations, how insightful an individual will react depend upon the situations in which he has been placed. process of learning and error, but this stage does not long last. Their initial efforts in the form of simple trial and error mechanism and the open insightful learning. Reception and generalization. After obtaining an insightful solution of a particular type of problem, the individual tries to implement it in another situation depending on the similar type of solution. The solution found in one situation helps him to react